Welcome to MoneyFlow Labs, where we reveal real strategies for building wealth online without the hype or unrealistic promises. I'm your host, and if you've been searching for legitimate ways to start an online business in 2025 without breaking the bank, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 7 proven online business models you can start with little to no upfront investment, and I'm giving you the honest truth about what each one requires and what you can realistically expect to earn. Here's what makes this different from every other start a business with no money video you've seen. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes or theoretical ideas. These are real business models that thousands of people are using right now to generate anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s monthly. Let's start with the most accessible opportunity in 2025. Offering content services enhanced by AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva. But here's the key. You're not just copying and pasting AI output. You're using AI to work faster and more efficiently while adding your human expertise and strategy. Blog writing services for businesses are exploding right now. Use ChatGPT to research topics and create initial drafts. Then add your expertise, real examples. And SEO optimization. Quality blog posts typically pay between $100 and $500 each. Social media content creation is another goldmine. Businesses need constant content for Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Facebook. Use AI to generate ideas and initial content. Then customize everything for the client's brand voice and audience. Social media managers typically charge $1,500 to $5,000 monthly per client. Business number 2 is building affiliate marketing websites, but done strategically for long-term success. Instead of promoting random products, you create comprehensive review and comparison sites in profitable niches where you can earn substantial commissions per sale. Software and business tool reviews are particularly profitable because these products often have affiliate commissions ranging from $50 to $500 per sale. Online course promotions in areas like business, marketing, or personal development can earn commissions of $100 to $1,000 per sale. High-end consumer products like electronics, fitness equipment, or home improvement tools also offer attractive commission rates. The business model is straightforward. Create genuinely helpful content that helps people make informed purchasing decisions. Then, earn commissions when they buy through your recommendations. Business 3 is creating and selling digital products that solve specific problems for specific audiences. The beauty of digital products is you create them once and can sell them indefinitely with no inventory, shipping, or ongoing production costs. Online courses teaching skills you already possess are incredibly profitable. Whether it's business skills, creative abilities, technical knowledge, or life skills, there's likely an audience willing to pay $50 to $500 to learn from you. Ebooks addressing niche problems or providing specific solutions typically sell for $10 to $75 each. Templates, checklists, and digital tools for businesses or individuals can generate ongoing passive income. Think social media templates, business planners, or industry-specific tools. Membership sites offering ongoing content and community can create. Business 4 is service-based consulting, where you monetize your existing knowledge and experience to help others achieve specific results. This is perfect if you have expertise in any area: business, marketing, technology, creative skills, or personal development. Business consulting for small companies can command $75 to $300 per hour, depending on your expertise and the results you help clients achieve. Marketing strategy consulting is particularly valuable because it directly impacts revenue. Many marketing consultants earn $5,000 to $20,000 monthly. Career coaching for professionals transitioning jobs or advancing in their careers typically pays $50 to $200 per session. Specialized consulting in your area of expertise, whether that's social media, e-commerce, productivity, or industry. Business 5 is modern e-commerce approaches that don't require large upfront investments or inventory management. Print on demand is perfect for creative people. You design products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or wall art, and platforms like Printful or Redbubble handle printing and shipping when orders come in. So this based e-commerce is often overlooked, but highly profitable. Instead of selling physical products, you sell services like logo design, website creation, social media setup, or business consulting as productized offerings with clear pricing and deliverables. This allows you to scale beyond trading time for money while maintaining service quality. Digital dropshipping involves selling digital products created by others, courses, software, templates, or tools through affiliate partnerships or licensing agreements. This requires minimal investment, but focuses on products with high perceived value and recurring commission potential. Business 6 is building a content creation business across platforms like YouTube, blogs, podcasts, or social media, then monetizing through multiple revenue streams. This isn't about becoming a social media influencer. It's about building an audience around valuable content and serving that audience through various income sources. Educational content performs exceptionally well because people actively search for learning opportunities. Pick a topic you're genuinely knowledgeable about: personal finance, business skills, technology, health, productivity, or creative pursuits. Consistency is more important than perfection when starting. Monetization comes through multiple channels: ad revenue from platforms, affiliate marketing for products you recommend, sponsored content from relevant brands, your own digital products, and consulting or coaching services. Our final business is online coaching and education, where you help people achieve specific outcomes through structured programs, group coaching, or one-on-one sessions. This leverages your knowledge and experience to create high-value transformation for clients. Life coaching, business coaching, health and fitness coaching, or specialized coaching in areas like productivity, relationships, or skill development can generate substantial income with minimal startup costs. One-on-one coaching typically commands $100 to $1,000 per session, depending on your expertise and the value you provide. Group coaching programs are particularly scalable. You can serve multiple clients simultaneously, while charging each participant $300 to $3,000 for the program. Online courses, combined with community access and live coaching calls, can generate even higher revenue per participant. So which online business should you start? Consider 3 key factors: your existing skills and knowledge, your available time and preferred work style, and your personality and strengths. If you have marketable skills and enjoy working directly with clients, consulting or content services can generate income quickly. If you prefer creating products once and selling them repeatedly, focus on digital products or affiliate marketing. If you enjoy building audiences and creating content regularly, content monetization might be perfect. Think about your risk tolerance and timeline expectations. Services like consulting and content creation can generate income within weeks, but require ongoing client work. Digital products and affiliate marketing take longer to build, but can provide more passive income long-term. E-commerce and coaching fall somewhere in the middle. Here's your action plan starting right now. Choose one online business from today's video that aligns with your current situation and interests. Spend the next 48 hours researching that business model thoroughly. Study successful examples, understand the requirements, and identify your potential target market. Within 7 days, take one concrete action step. If you chose consulting, reach out to your first potential client. If you picked affiliate marketing, register your domain and choose your niche. If you selected digital products, outline your first product idea. The key is taking action before you feel completely ready. Remember, every successful online business started with someone taking the first step, despite not having everything figured out. The business models I shared today are proven and working for thousands of people right now. The only question is which one you'll choose and when you'll start building it. Which online business resonates most with you? Drop a comment below and let me know your choice. I read every comment and often provide specific guidance for getting started. If this video gave you a clear roadmap for starting your online business in 2025, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Every week here at MoneyFlow Labs, we share proven strategies for building wealth online with honest, actionable advice. 2025 is your year to stop dreaming about financial freedom and start building it. Choose your business model, take the first step, and thank yourself 6 months from now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next MoneyFlow Labs video.